Hello, today we'll be comparing HOMOKUS coffee maker's grinder versus Cuisinart single serve coffee maker. And be sure to watch the intent, I'll tell you which is better, links to all the products and the description. Type of beverage, HOMOKUS better. Grinder function, HOMOKUS better. Brewing capacity, HOMOKUS better. Brew range controlled stay. Water reservoir, Cuisinart's better. Single serve option, HOMOKUS better. Heating speed, Cuisinart's better. Ease of use, Cuisinart's better. Technology, Cuisinart's better. Size portability, Cuisinart's better. Cleaning, Cuisinart's better. Footprint design, Cuisinart's better. Build quality, stay. Special features, Cuisinart's better. Coffee quality, HOMOKUS better. Price, Cuisinart's better. Who's best for depends preferences. Durability, stay. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that really tastes good making coffee, then the best choice will be the HOMOKUS coffee maker's grinder. The link to buy it is in the video description.